How to fix media upload quality on WhatsApp not showing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches. So just tap in WhatsApp and search for the app, and you can see it is updated to its latest version. So just tap on open and it will lead you to the home page of the application. Then what you need to do is tap on settings, and then here in the chats you cannot see any sort of upload quality or any other options as such, because this is the updated version of this. Because when getting updated, the feature of upload quality is not here available in this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and then tap on one of the chats, and we're going to tap on sending or uploading a video over here. Now when uploading a video, just tap on the video and then select any video. So here I'm just selecting any video randomly, and after that you can see the option of HD over here at the top of the screen. So just tap on that, and here you can see the media quality. So this is standard quality right now. You can convert it to HD quality, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.